This is a Tinworks 6072 C10 transmission crossmember. It's a tight fit, and I had to enlarge the holes here on the top part of the frame for the bolts to line up. And then the transmission mount was too tall to go in, so I had to loosen the four bolts on this side of the crossmember to lower it. Put the bolts in for the transmission mount, all 4 bolts, crossmember and transmission side, and then jack it back up to get these bolts back in, torque everything down. So it's a very stout transmission crossmember, so it's worth the effort if it goes in tight on yours. And I also had their trailing arm crossmember here, which is a big chunk of nice solid steel. Both have holes to run the exhaust through, and that's one reason why I did do it, rather than this hillbilly exhaust.